covers, aren't they?
Right, got the
Come on, Ruby, come and let Lisa play. Drop it, you daft dog. Oh, you're going to wear Grandad out now. This is so clear, Del. Go on, in. Go on, Lily Bell. Just drop it. Now I can't see her. She's too quick for me.
What's my light through?
Hey, well done, Ruby.
That. Good girl.
Good girl.
Ready?
She's like... Ruby, look, fetch. Look, do I have to come closer and show you? She got it.
Have to get her a pair of glasses like them, Miles.
Well done, Ruby. Well done.
She's only posing for the camera.
I know. Well, it's. I'm hoping it's working because it's.